What's your favorite dinosaur and why?
Clue number 1. My favorite dinosaur is a Triceratops because it has part of my name in it.
How many kids in Central Park do you know?
Clue number 2. I know about 450 students at Central Park.
What was your favorite moment at Central Park?
Clue number 3. My favorite moments at Central Park are doing breakout EDU games with students. It's me, Mrs. Liney.
Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Who is it?
What do you like about Central Park?
The students.
What's your favorite thing to teach?
I love teaching math.
What's your favorite game?
Pictionary. It's me, Miss Turner.
Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Who is it?
What's your favorite book?
Clue number 1. My favorite books are the Harry Potter books.
What's your favorite game?
Clue number 2. My favorite game is Uno.
Family ever go to Central Park?
Clue number 3. My 3 children went to Central Park.
It's me, Mrs. Angelar.
Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Who is it?
What's your favorite ice cream?
Coffee ice cream.
What do you like about Central Park?
And the big kids are to the little kids.
What's your favorite book to read?
Click, clack, moo, cows that type. It's me, Miss Circa.
Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Who is it?
What is your favorite food?
Clue number 1, my favorite food is chocolate cake.
What is your favorite movie?
Clue number 2, my favorite movie is The Princess Bride.
What is your favorite sport?
Clue number 3, my favorite sport is Nordic skiing. It's me, Mrs. Miller.
Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Who is it?
What is your favorite color?
Color is pink.
What's your favorite book to read?
Is Wonder by R.J. Palacio.
Favorite desserts?
My favorite dessert is cheesecake. It's me, Miss Jacobson.
Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Who is it?
What is your favorite month and why?
Clue number 1, my favorite month is August because it's my birthday and the state fair, which I love.
What is your least favorite subject in school?
Number 2, my least favorite subject in school was science.
Your favorite sport team?
Clue number 3, my favorite sports team is the Minnesota Wild. It's me, Miss Traver!
Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Who is it?
What is your favorite game?
Favorite game is Uno.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is ham.
What do you like about Central Park?
The thing about Central Park are the great staff and students. It's me, Mrs. Anderson.
Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Who is it?
What's your favorite thing to teach students?
Games.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate.
What's your favorite animal?
Dogs.
It's me, Miss Houseman.
Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who at Central Park? Who is it?
What is your favorite Fortnite dance?
Clue number 1. My favorite Fortnite dance? The floss.
What is your favorite part of Central Park?
Clue number 2. My favorite part about CP? The students.
What is your favorite place to travel to?
Clue number 3. My favorite place to travel to? Madagascar, of course. Did you guess it? It's me, Mrs. Burkus.